Welcome to my channel. Myself Justin Sangredi. I am presently pursuing BTech. Coming to the topic. NxtWave team has assigned to me the first VR mini project. VR means virtual reality. In this, I can choose one of the amazing technologies AAML. AAML means artificial intelligence and machine learning. In this, I will try to cover how AI was born, uses of the AI, and how to learn AI. Let's get started with the video. This is our first room. This room all about AI, history of the AI, and this poster represent a timeline, a small click about the history of the AI. I will go to the next room. This is our second room. In this room, how university adopt the AML technology and real life use cases of the AML. Here we can see AI use cases. AI can be used in different sectors like e-commerce and education, like some other. In this video represent use cases of the AI. I can play this video.
Next, we have AI-powered assistants. Assistants like virtual shopping assistants and chatbots help improve user experience while shopping online. For this, techniques like NLP or natural language processing are used to make the conversation sound as human and personal as possible. Did you know that soon customer service could be handled by chatbots on Amazon.com? Moreover, these assistants can have real-time engagement with your customers. They can handle multiple situations.
This room all about AI use case. We will go to the next room. This is our third room. In this room, all about industrial revolution of the AI. This post represent industrial revolution of the AI, and this post represent a industrial revolution graph. And here is some click. This is the how industrial revolution of AI. I can play this video.
Telephone. Instagram signed up 100 million users in just 2 years, while Pokemon Go caught that amount in 1 month. 3D printing is just one example of fast paced technology in the fourth industrial revolution. The industry has gone from a business idea to big business, with 3D printer shipments expected to increase from just under 200,000 in 2015 to 2.4 million.
Okay, I will go to the next room. This is our fourth room. This room all about AML gallery. Okay, we will go to the next. This is about steps involving how to learn AI, and this is machine learning is a subset of the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a super subset of the deep learning, and this first represent machine learning process, and this first represent how to learn AI algorithms, and finally this first represent how to learn deep learning, and we will go to the open seminar hall. This is our open seminar hall. In this video, we can see some tech gainers saying the AI is definitely the future of the world. I can play this video once.
Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft are all moving ahead at a great speed in improving this artificial intelligence software. So it's very exciting. Software is going to solve that, where it'll look at all the new information and present to you, knowing about your interests, what would be most valuable. So making us more efficient.
We're focusing on what we've talked about on autonomous systems. And we sort of see it as the mother of all AI projects. So autonomy is something that's incredibly exciting for us. We'll see where it takes us.
Wouldn't it be wonderful if someday we got to the point where there were robots every place, they were running farms, they were running Apple, they were running Berkshire Hathaway, and all you had to do was one person could punch a button at the start of every morning, and all the goods and services that we're getting now would be turned out by robot.
It is seeping into our lives in all sorts of ways that we just don't notice. We're just getting better and better at it, and we're seeing that happen in every aspect of our lives, from medicine to transportation to how electricity is distributed. And it promises to create a vastly more productive and efficient economy. And if properly harnessed, can generate enormous prosperity for people, opportunity for people, can cure diseases that we haven't seen before, can make us safer because it eliminates.
So the rate of improvement is really dramatic, but we have to figure out some way to ensure that the advent of digital superintelligence is one which is symbiotic with humanity.
AI is probably the most important thing humanity has ever worked on. I think of it as something more profound than electricity or fire. And anytime you work with technology, you need to learn to harness the benefits and while minimizing the downsides. Stepping back, when you think about a lot of problems in the world today, it's because we typically have a constraint on resources. AI, for the first time, I think over time, offers a different construct. Things which are constrained and look like a zero-sum game today may not be so in the future. Take education, for example. It's really difficult to educate people in a cost-effective way. AI may fundamentally change that equation. It may make it possible for us to have clean, cheap, renewable energy for the future. So I think a lot of things will play out in more positive ways than people think.
I think probably by...
Thank you.